Indulge in homemade delights with My Pint Ice Cream Maker, the ultimate solution for quick and customizable frozen treats. Are you ready to satisfy your ice cream cravings with a single serving of homemade goodness? Look no further than the My Pint Ice Cream Maker. This remarkable machine allows you to whip up 1.6 cups of fresh, delectable ice cream in a snap. Perfect for a delightful snack or a cozy night in. With its easy-to-use design and swift operation, you'll have your frozen treat ready to enjoy in under 30 minutes. Healthier treats made effortlessly. Say goodbye to store-bought ice creams packed with additives and preservatives. With the Ice Cream Maker, you have full control over the ingredients, making it a healthier choice for you and your loved ones. Choose organic, sugar-free options, or experiment with fresh fruits and all-natural flavors to create a personalized and nourishing treat that aligns with your dietary preferences. Quick, easy, and customizable creations. No more waiting for hours to satisfy your ice cream cravings. The Ice Cream Maker is designed for speed and convenience. With just the push of a button, you'll be on your way to enjoying 1.6 cups of luscious ice cream, gelato, sorbet, or frozen yogurt in less than 30 minutes. But why stop there? Get creative and customize your dessert with mouth-watering add-ins like chocolate chips, caramel drizzle, or colorful sprinkles. The possibilities are endless, ensuring that every frozen delight is a unique and personalized treat. Compact and lightweight, perfect for any space, whether you're a college student in a small dorm, a new homeowner with limited kitchen space, or an avid traveler in need of a portable ice cream solution. The My Pint Ice Cream Maker is a must-have companion. Weighing less than 1 pound and featuring a compact design, it fits effortlessly into any kitchen environment. Disassembling the machine is a breeze, allowing for quick cleanup and easy storage. Embrace the joy of homemade ice cream no matter where life takes you. A perfect gift for any occasion. Looking for a thoughtful and practical gift? The My Pint Ice Cream Maker is the answer. It's an ideal choice for weddings, housewarmings, or a delightful surprise for kids and ice cream enthusiasts. Its small footprint ensures it won't clutter the counter, while its sleek design and trendy color options effortlessly blend with any kitchen decor. Don't wait. Add this fantastic ice cream maker to your registry or surprise your loved ones with the gift of homemade frozen treats. Everything you need to get started. The Ice Cream Maker comes with everything you need to embark on your frozen dessert adventures. The package includes the 12-watt ice cream maker itself, a cooling bowl for freezing, a convenient mixing spoon for instant enjoyment, a recipe book to inspire your creativity, and access to an extensive recipe database for endless flavor possibilities. Get ready to unleash your culinary imagination and delight in the magic of homemade ice cream. Experience the sweet sensation of My Pint Ice Cream Maker. If you're passionate about delightful frozen treats made from scratch, the My Pint Ice Cream Maker is your ultimate kitchen companion. From its simplicity and speed to its customizability and compact design, this exceptional machine will elevate your ice cream game to new heights. Treat yourself and your loved ones to the irresistible joy of homemade ice cream anytime, anywhere. Embrace the possibilities and make every frozen indulgence a memorable experience with My Pint Ice Cream Maker.